Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss a comment on your Instagram posts, turning on comment notifications is the way to go. Today, I'll walk you through the updated, step-by-step process to enable comment notifications directly from your phone settings. Let's get started. First, open your phone's Settings app. This is where you control all the permissions and notifications for your apps. Once inside Settings, look for the section labeled Apps or Applications and tap on it. Next, scroll through your list of apps until you find Instagram, then tap on it to open the app-specific settings. Here, you'll see various options related to Instagram's permissions and notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. This will bring up all the notification categories related to Instagram. You want to make sure notifications are allowed here, so check that the toggle for notifications is turned on. Under the Notifications menu, look for Notification Categories or something similar, which breaks down notifications by type. Find the category labeled Comments and toggle it on. This ensures you receive alerts whenever someone comments on your posts. And that's it. By following these simple steps, going to Phone Settings, tapping Apps, selecting Instagram, then Notifications, and finally toggling on Comments, you'll stay connected to every conversation happening on your posts. Remember, enabling comment notifications helps you engage quickly with your followers, respond to questions, and build stronger connections on Instagram. If you ever want to customize further, you can always revisit these settings to adjust notifications to your liking. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying in the loop with your Instagram comments.